Thank you very much, Professor. Uh, I'm going to present. It would be. It would be. I like to thanks Mr. Anand to provide me opportunity and professor to provide me opportunity in these sessions. I am from Nepal. Uh, uh, I'm just going not to take more times, not to take more than 5 minutes times, just what kind of research going on in our country, Nepal, in the field of biotechnology. Uh, my country, Nepal, lies between two big countries, China and India. Three sides, India, and north side, China. This is my country is also developing country between China and India, and the development of biotechnology in my country is increasing day by day. This is highest peak of the world, Mount Everest, which is in my country, Nepal. The light of Asia, Gautam Buddha, the Lumbini, the birthplace of Gautam Buddha, also in my Nepal. And this is Pashupatinath temple, which is all over the world popular temple among Hindu religions. In my country, Nepal, in the field of biotechnology, there are two government organizations are conducting research in the field of biotechnology. One is the National Academy of Science and Technology, NAST, another Agriculture Research Council, NARC. They are key role in development of biotechnology in Nepal. This is the building of the Nepal Academy of Science and Technology, and there are not so depth in research in biotechnology, but some kinds of research are going on. Surveillance of influenza A and its subtype in migratory birds in Nepal, species identification of using DNA barcoding of mitochondrial COI, which is conducted by the office NAST, government office NAST, and another human-wildlife disease risk assessment in urban setting using latest in mobile-based data capture and analysis. And another research is going on, preliminary assessment on the use of fragment length DNA analysis in generating molecular element map of Duchenne muscular dystrophy DMD, which is conducted by Central Department of Biotechnology and National Academy of Science and Technology. And another kind of research, genetics-based wildlife population studies, which is very important, and virus discovery and wildlife urban interface using latest in molecular technology, Predict Nepal, which is conducted by the Nepal Academy Science and Technology under Ministry of Science and Technology. And another research is going on, the vermicomposting, which is conducted by the NAST, and this is the endangered species, snow leopard, and this is Bengal tiger, and which we can we can go through terrorism and we can see the wildlife in here. They are endangered species. By we can we are conducting the research wildlife conservation by analyzing the gene of endangered animals using non-invasive technique scat method, which is very interesting method in which DNA extraction from the scat. It is a indirect method. We can identify carnivore ID by analyzing the excreta. What kind of prey they taken, we can, and then we can go to the species identification. Also, we can identify male or female animals, and individual identification we can done by the SCAP method, microsatellite analysis method, dietary analysis method, which is very, very helpful. How in numbering of the animals, what kind of species are can be found in the forest, and there is how many number, and how what kind of food they can take, which is very useful for the conservation of wildlife animals, endangered animals. Next one, genetically modified organisms. The fish nest conducted, and we are developing the more water resistance rice plant, because sometimes there is more water, and the plant, the rice plant will may die. So we are developing the more water resistant rice plant and drought resistant rice. Sometimes there may be drought, and so we are also producing the drought resistant plant by using biotechnology, which is conducted by the NAST. And another, plant breeding, tissue culture method are conducted by my university, Central Department of Biotechnology, Agriculture and Forestry University, NARC and NAST. These all are combined, joining together and conducting the research. This is the pictures. We are using biotechnology, and another, this is by using biotechnology, giving maize crop, which is very productive, and this is rice plant. And we are in the field of vaccine development. We are conducting the research of developing rabies vaccine, influenza vaccine by Nepal Veterinary Science Office, and semen seeds artificial animal insemination conducted by the NAST, Gene Bank Agriculture related NAST and NARC. Beverage industry, Gorkhas, Nepal Eyes, these kind of research are going on. And vitamins, some private agency were involving in production of vitamins by using biotechnology, pharmaceutical, and forensic Nepal, sausage and juice, disease diagnosis in molecular level. Some private agency are involving food biotechnology. We using to check quality control. This is my university, the central building of the university, Tribhuvan University, but it is not remained because 3 months ago this building was collapsed totally, and we shifted another building. Unfortunately, just 3 months ago, in the 5th April, we are suffered from the great earthquake. More than 9,000 lives are lost by, and many more injured. So I want to remember these people who are died by earthquake, to condolence them, and to remember them in this very valuable conference. This is my country flag, and thank you very much. Welcome to Nepal.
Are there any questions?
Here I have to say, I was came in 7th July, and I will stay here in Beijing for a month. So I get this opportunity. This conference is going on, so I could not submit my abstract to the abstract book, but very good friend Anand give me this opportunity to be here and to present my paper. Thank you very much for listening, you people.
I think that this is our last speaker. If there are